today's video, we're going to test what method of cooking bacon makes it taste the best.
Nate, you bought a lot of a thing again.
I did.
I am not mad.
This time it's bacon. Bacon's great. Most people like bacon, but there's multiple ways to cook it, and I wanted to see what makes the difference in tasting
kind
good.
of bacon.
Some time ago, I was taught a method of cooking bacon, and the guy teaching it to me said that he felt it actually made it taste better and have more flavor than other methods.
Okay.
And so I was curious if that was true, and I thought maybe we should do a side-by-side. But I thought, why just do those methods? Let's do a lot of methods. So we've got 6 different ways that we're going to cook bacon. Here's the basic idea. We've got about 5 pounds of bacon and 6 different cooking methods. We're going to try them all and see which one tastes the best and which one tastes the worst. All else equal, we want to know what makes the best tasting bacon. First, we've got a standard frying pan.
Okay.
And we're just gonna put some strips of bacon in there, cook them,
fry
flipping
some
them.
bacon, okay.
Cooking up bacon on a skillet. Second, we've got another frying pan, and this is the method I was taught and told that it makes better tasting bacon. The idea is that you take the whole pack of a pound of bacon, cut it in half, separate out all the strips, put it in, and then you add half a stick of butter. The initial thought is like, oh, how unhealthy. It's bacon. It's not like gonna get more oily and greasy.
Sure, you can't really add more fat to bacon.
But what I was told is that the butter helps hold some of the extra flavor into the bacon. I don't know if that's true, and that's why I wanted to do a side-by-side test, like regular frying pan with butter in the frying pan. Does it make a difference? I haven't tested this yet. But then we've got some other methods. We're going to do oven cooked bacon. So we're just gonna put the strips on here, throw it in the oven at, it said 425 is normal, but we have convection, which usually you lower the temperature a little bit. So I'm doing 415, we're just gonna do it in the oven. We're also going to use an air fryer. We're going to use a deep fryer, which again, can you add more oil? I don't think you can, it's bacon. And then finally, we're also going to microwave some bacon.
And this is just bacon. It was cured with a little bit of water, sugar, salt.
I got all the same brand. There's nothing particularly special about this brand. I've used it before and it's good. It's not the cheapest, it's not the most expensive. Yeah, I've had it be really good before, so we're gonna go with this.
Okay, now you want this to be a blind taste test.
It's true. So you are not going to watch the process because I don't want you to be able to visually identify the different bacons.
Hang on,
Some of you probably will anyway.
Time out, I just want to be clear. Today, my job, the thing I'm getting paid for, is to go take a nap while you cook me bacon.
Yeah.
I love my job. I love my job.
And my friend Keith is going to stop by and also help judge so that we have multiple judges on what's making the best tasting bacon. I, of course, will also eat some. Our cameraman Mark will eat some. We'll get lots of opinions, but at least 2 people will have no idea except just by guessing which is which. All right, we've got our 5 pounds of bacon all cut in half, somewhat mixed up in our bowl here. It's gonna be kind of tricky to cook all of this mostly at once, but I'll do my best. Let it go for 10 minutes and then probably turn the pan around if it doesn't look like it's cooking evenly enough. If it is cooking perfectly evenly thanks to the convection, then I'll just let it go for another about 10 minutes. All right, now I figured if adding butter into the bacon is going to help at all, might as well go for some really good butter. That just went off. That's looking good. I don't think I need to rotate it. I think it's just fine as is. Callie's back from nap. Keith is now joining us.
What's up?
We have 6 different kinds of bacon, all cooked. And okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna go through,
start eating?
Taste them all. And remember, we're not going for how well they're cooked. We're not going for texture or shape. We're going for flavor. Just what tastes the best.
These 3 plates are mine.
Okay.
Because they have the largest amounts of bacon.
I do want to just discuss the difference in looks. Like
we can discuss it.
That
I'm just
looks
saying
like-
that's not what we're judging on.
That's fair. This looks almost like turkey bacon. It's just flat. And this is so curly.
Okay, can you repeat what you just said? Because I was focusing on the bacon.
That's good. We can comment on texture, we can comment on how they're cooked, but mostly what we're going for is flavor.
Flavor.
Like oh,
best or bacon. This tastes like bacon.
Just whatever is your favorite. You were like, if I had to choose one of these based on what
She's
I'm
already eating.
Yeah, get started.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
This one tastes a little burnt to me.
It is possible that some are burnt. That would be my fault, not the bacon's, but.
The crispy and saltiness on my palate is most exquisite.
Hang on, how are we judging this before I try a new type of bacon?
Literally just try
Just
them
chew
all
one?
and see
Okay.
if there's one you like the flavor best.
I like crunchy, crispy bacon.
That's my preference as well.
I like
Most
a
people
little bit
do.
of chewy. Here's the thing, we're not gonna fight about who gets what kind of bacon.
Then
right
you can
now.
have that piece, because that looks more chewy.
Okay, I'll take it.
I like this one. Thank you. I'm almost liking this one more than that one.
Okay.
So far out of the 3 I've tried.
Texture, crunchiness, and flavor.
So far, yeah, that one.
And I've been going the opposite direction from you guys, so I can't comment yet.
I've been going middle out. I'll probably go middle out.
Okay.
Ooh. That's got the like crunchy, fall apart amazingness that you want in bacon.
Crunchy fell apart. No, I want a little bit of chew. These are a little crunchier than I would normally like.
If I could wake up to that every morning, I would be a very happy man.
Somehow that one has no flavor.
I like these the best so far.
What has no flavor?
The flat one has
This?
very little flavor in comparison.
The
So
flat.
far, this is the best.
Your assessment is correct. Thus far, this one has had the least amount of flavor.
Ooh, that one's very
And the
good.
texture isn't as good as these ones either. These 2.
We invited Spiegel.
That's how much I love bacon.
Okay. There's no contest for me. This one. I feel like this is the best.
That one's your favorite. Okay.
Yep.
So Callie votes for number 5.
This one is saltier. Weird.
Will do.
It's got decent flavor, but it does seem to be the saltiest.
Mark, you got to get in on this.
He's like, the one fried in butter is my favorite. We don't know. He knows, we don't know.
I like the full spectrum. I like
This is an odd
soft, chewy bacon and crunchy bacon.
flavor. This one has none flavor. This is my least favorite.
Yum, 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 yum,
These
yum,
are my
yum,
friends. These are the people I choose to hang out with.
Yum, 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 yum.
So it's kind of hard because I think it's a tie between these 2, but I think I like this one.
Weird.
That one's a little too salty for me. I gotta figure out the rest.
This
now.
one is noticeably better than the rest.
Yes.
That one's salty. This one doesn't really have a ton of flavor.
This one's salty?
This one's half
You
decent.
also think this one's salty?
Yeah.
Okay.
This would be my second least favorite. As far as flavor goes, that's my least favorite.
Yeah, this one's kind of weird.
Yeah.
The texture is good, but the flavor's like off. This one's my favorite.
Mine too.
I'm guessing this is the microwave one.
So at this point, we have all decided, out of the 6 different methods, here we go. Number 1 over here
Too
is
salty.
the air fryer.
Oh,
so I'm not
interesting.
sure how this ended up being too salty. There was nothing added. Number 2, cooked in a frying pan with the half stick of butter.
Oh, I would have thought that was the deep fryer.
I actually quite like it, and I do think that the butter affected the flavor. And visually, you can see that it affected the oil. Look at that. It's yellow. So I do think that you can taste the butter. And it's good. I like this.
Yeah. Yeah, it is good.
Number 3, microwave.
Yeah, don't
No
microwave
way.
bacon.
It's flat, the chew is a little strange, and a lot of the flavor is just gone.
Wah, wah, wow.
Number 4 is the deep fryer. That's why there's so much of it. Turns out deep fryer is a
Interesting.
really quick way to cook bacon.
Yeah, okay.
Number 5,
Yeah,
Perfectly
what is
good
that?
bacon.
regular frying pan.
Really?
Just cooked in a frying pan the normal way, turning it when it was ready to be turned and pulling out when it's done.
We already figured out the right method to cook bacon.
And the last one
old
is the
school
oven,
way.
which apparently I'm bad
Oh,
at.
fascinating.
I think I just can't tell what finished bacon looks like in the oven is my biggest problem. Like if I had a much better light in there, then maybe it would work out. But so it did burn twice. not ideal. So that result is a little bit out. I have had oven cooked bacon in the past. It's fine. I like it just fine. It's not better than any of these others in my other experiences.
I'm just seeing how fast I can just pile in bacon.
Just eat the bacon.
So we got 3 of us voted for normal pan fried. Cameron and Mark voted for air fried, which I did like quite well. None of us liked the microwave.
It's fine. I mean,
Mark hated the burnt more than he hated the lack of taste in the microwave. That's
if it
fair.
was versus no bacon and microwave bacon, I'd still take microwave bacon.
See, microwave bacon, I think it has one place in this world, and that is when you, for whatever reason, are in a hurry to make a sandwich that has bacon on it. You can do 2 or 3 strips. It takes 2 or 3 minutes to cook, and then it's done. You throw it on, you get something crunchy, salty, bacony. It's not as good as any of the other methods, but it's way quicker, and it does lay pretty flat. So it's decent for sandwiches. So the one that inspired this was
right now.
This one
was the butter in the group cook frying pan. I guess once again there's a variable I didn't control. I didn't try cooking a whole pound in a frying pan with and without butter. I just tried normal frying pan cooking and whole pan with butter. 6 different methods of cooking bacon. 5 of them done pretty well. 1 of them I burnt it a little bit, and I apologize for
It's still good.
somewhat
Still good.
invalidating the study on that. Guys, if you think we have missed any really important methods of testing bacon, let us know. Maybe we'll have a round 2 at some point. Specifically, if you have methods that are like ways that people actually are cooking bacon. Not like, oh, let's get the solar scorcher out. No, that's not practical. That's
things you would do in your kitchen.
But that's a fantastic idea, and why have we not done that yet?
Well, Nate, thank you for cooking us 5 pounds of bacon.
You're welcome. Guys, that's not all. We've always got more to see. If you like this kind of stuff, hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.